Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. My name is K-Wolf and today we are playing Farm Hunt. Yay! So okay, let's just get into it. It's over here. It's this one. What am I in? Whatever it's called. Spawn options. Yeah, I want to be an animal. Because the animals are better. There is a way that you can like get on top of here, but I don't remember. This actually might be the map that's like my favorite map to hide at. But okay, so I'll explain the purpose of this game. So basically, when you go into the game, you have a wand, which you can either be in any kind of animal that's on the map. Chicken's the best because it's the smallest, and I'm a hunter, but the hunters are their job is to try and find the hiders, because yeah, it's just yeah. So yeah, you just go around and you hit animals, and then they can hit back at a certain point. I hate being hunter, honestly, because it's just like, and this is my favorite map too. It's like, why? Just why? I don't know why, but you know what? It's why. What? Someone's bowing me. Oh. No. Watch out. Oop. Oh, crap. Explosive sheeps? Where did they go? Oh, they went right there. I don't want to hurt the woofo. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to catch them. They're a woofo now. They are a woofo. I'm going to die. Thank you. It's hard to kill them with a half a heart. So mostly, like all the time, the hiders will normally win, kind of. Okay, yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. That was only at a half a heart. You are very mischievous, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what the correct word for that is. I'm really bad at words. Hello. You're lagging, Key. The key's lagging. Ah, they stole my kill. That sucks. That Yeah, it does suck. Also, still leave a comment of future ideas because, yeah, I have no clue what I'm doing this week. I don't know. Oh, that wasn't a pleasant sound. It really wasn't a pleasant sound. All those horses dying. There is one animal left. They're probably all out in the open too, which is the sucky part. I heard a bow. The hiders won. Oh no! We won! That's good. That's so good. Okay, we'll play one more round. Okay. We'll play one more round of Farm Hunt, and then that should be it. Hopefully it's the same map. Okay, well it's not. And I want to be an animal this time. Hello. No, I'm a wolf. Can't see anything out of this map. Oh, there's the map down there. We're really high up. Wow. I don't think Hypixel has a build limit. Okay. No. I was thinking, oh, well, I'll just go back to the lobby and relog. But no. Then everybody joins. Okay, well, yeah, now we're gonna do that. Just the second I teleport out of there, it's just gonna put me right back inside the same game. Okay, it put me right back inside the same game. Okay, there we go. Sorry. This one's gonna be a long game if people don't start joining. Oh, also, I'm in my normal skin right now because I'm kind of doing something / working on project. So yeah, that's why I'm in my normal skin right now, and I'm not in my Halloween skin. But don't worry, the Halloween skin will return here in, like, I don't know, next week, maybe? I don't know. I honestly don't. I don't know at all. But once I'm done with the project, I will change my skin back. I am a chicken, and nah, this isn't my favorite map. No, it's not. I want to be a wolf. I want to be a wolf. A wolf, a wolf, a wolf. And where do you guys want to hide? Do you guys want to hide in here with these wolves? I'm a wolf. You can totally tell I'm a wolf. Isn't there a way to like get up here or something? Can't remember how to get up there. I don't know what's happening downstairs, so just ignore that. Safe taunt. Ooh. Ski taunt, firework taunt. I feel like they're going to find me. I don't know, I just have that feeling of, oh, they're gonna find me because I'm hiding behind horses right now and I'm a wolf. So yeah, I mean I can be a chicken and then go hide in the cauldron. I don't know. I don't know what's happening down there. But they're not fighting. I don't know, they're arguing about flooring, I think. Not fighting. I assure you, not fighting. And not fighting either. I don't know why I said fighting. It's just like they argue about really stupid stuff sometimes. But just don't worry. Don't worry. There's nothing wrong. But yeah. I don't know what else to say here. Just because, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Because we're literally just hiding. And there's nothing really else to say. I mean, hello, person. I can say hello to the person. Oh, they didn't hit me. Okay. Well, there's that. And I'm the last one alive, so yay! Just got an email. It's fine. Am I gonna die again? You're gonna kill me. Ow. Don't hurt my woofo. Dang it. I don't like that sound. Well, I'm the last one. Okay, bye. Okay. So, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Blah, blah, blah. If you have enjoyed, please subscribe with notifications. That'd be great. Also, please leave comments below on future videos because I'm really needing it. But until next time,